So welcome to Akko Israel. And also welcome to the dig site. This is Tel Akko. From archaeology terminology, Tel means like an area that has been impacted over and over to create a mound of human history. And so in this particular Tel, it's called the Ramport, and it was kind of used for fortification of the city as well as different forms of trade. So the water was actually much closer than it is now. It's receded. And so in this area there is an excavation site happening where different walls are being found and different kind of artifacts, and so it's kind of assumed that some kind of marketplace occurred. It's within the 8th, 7th, and 6th century. There's only one square that's probably 5th century BC. So I've been digging and hauling dirt all day. We've mostly been kind of moving around the sandbags there. And these are the squares that are being excavated. Thankfully there's a nice breeze. It's really hot. But if you could look out, there is the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. Day one of the next day one of 30 days, so 29 more days to go, and my awesome Basque boot after 13 years, maybe a little, actually 15 years of hiking has given out on me. So I will duct tape the sucker until the end of the trip. See you guys next time.